inheriting potential. So the majority of people worked in steady laborers. There was a that Michael was the son of Someon who worked in tin works. That morning was the day Michael was registered at school. Because his father took Michael to be registered at school. The time school was considered as it was as boarding school. If you ended up being a bully, people said, especially the situation where equal with those school. The condition of the building was very worrying. This Muhammadiyah element who registered and that day the Muslim woman and Mr. Afat fought non-students who go to school there. Unless person but it was already midday and no one had come. Then Mr. Afan with a heavy heart informed the parents of the student that they had to accept the condition of Christ. This Muslim woman did not give up and went out. One of the smartest students at the school is named Lintang, the son of a fisherman who lived in a coastal area. Even though the school is far away, he remains enthusiastic.
One day when it rained heavily, they couldn't study because they had to secure the tables and chairs so they wouldn't get rainwater due to the lacking roof. Pak Arfan instructed the Muslim woman to sit outside the school. While they were away, Arfan cleaned and classroom and molded the workshop. The school events to be supported by 3 trunks so that the was done. At school, Mr. Arfan informed them that in order to carry out the Muhammadiyah Provincial School exam, they had to join Bintima Elementary School. At the time, Mahar became acquainted with one of the Bintima School students named Flo. When the carnival was held, Bu Muslimah and Pak Arfan told them to take part in carnival at that time of year. One day they saw a nursery school practice and they became insecure because their group leader was just dancing alone like someone possessed by a ghost. Mahar also got the idea at the Nanti Carnival. Mahar and her friends else performed a dance inspired by a magazine gift by Flo. The quiz competition started as the Muhammadiyah planned to also take part in the competition, so the member Latitude. The first day arrived unlucky for Latitude when he saw a crocodile that was originally passing by instead sunbathing there, so he had to meet. At the competition location, Mr. Muslim told Sarah to get ready to be on board if the Latitude didn't come. Luckily, there were men who casted the crocodile away so that the Latitude could pass and come to the competition location on time. The competition was started Latitude, Curly, and competitive Downy in answering and stealing scores again to other school, and where they succeeded in answering the question, and the determination of the winner began. The last question was Ahmad. Latitude's answer was wrong, and the point were deducted by 100. But from the audience, Mr. Mahmud
interacted that the cone was the same as latitude. The jury did not accept it as if he adopted the jury. Mr. Mahmud also asked to recalculate. I even took this matter, accused Lintang of cheating because I had never seen latitude counting. Lintang also offered to produce the answer on the blackboard, and the result were the same. The jury also apologized, and in the end, Muhammadiyah Elementary School won and
And he got home from school. I think he's basically when he got home, his younger brother informed him that his father had not yet returned from fishing. So, after the historic day, latitude didn't show up at school. And in the morning, a gentleman came to give a letter in which Lintang at that time, Lintang had no contact to continue his education as the eldest child of a poor Costa family who no longer had a father. Then his friends saw that latitude. Several years passed, and the girls who had been finished returned to Belitung from overseas, where they met latitude. They let go of their longing. Lintang, if it is equal to see his children again, he can also inform latitude that he has come to take them out.
Menarilah dan terus tertawa,